Oh my goodness. Welcome to Fantastic's channel. Fantastic Favour is a highly favored channel. Hey.
Hi favors, welcome back to another vlog. I hope you are having a wonderful day wherever you are. Thank you so much for stopping by, and thank you to those of you that always come back to watch and support me. I really appreciate. As you can see, my kids are in the kitchen cleaning up because I asked them to do so. I wanted to cook, but the way the kitchen was looking was so annoying. I didn't really like how it was looking, so I called them, all three of them, to go clean up the kitchen so I could cook. Because one thing with me is that when my kitchen is in a very messy state, I don't like cooking. I don't like cooking, but when it is clean and tidied up, I feel good. When I'm cooking, I feel happy. They know this. They know it about me, especially Favour. I used to tell her that whenever this kitchen is clean, I'm happy to cook in it, but when it's not clean, don't even call me. I don't want to cook. Although there are some days that I can't help it that I must cook, whether it is tidy or not. But on this day, I wasn't feeling how the kitchen was looking. It's always messed up. Like, I don't know why. We are always cleaning, but it is always messy. I cannot even explain why. Anyways, here is Miss Blessing playing on her own while her siblings were busy cleaning up. Blessing will soon join them when it is the right time, but for now, I'm just letting her be the baby girl of the house that she is. So as you can see, one person is doing the dishes, the other is doing the cleaning, while the other is doing the sweeping. So that's how I shared it, and you can see they are having fun doing it.
Delicious meals for your family. I'm a Christian, but I don't discriminate. Ooh, hey, please subscribe and join the family. Hey.
And here is the final result. I mean, I think they really did an amazing job here. It's far and way better than how it looked before I called them to come and clean up. Like, I entered the kitchen, I couldn't hold it. I was like, oh yeah, all three of you come here. Favour, lower the volume of that. Okay guys, I've gone to the kitchen and I saw what you guys did. You guys did an amazing job, like wonderful job. I'm so impressed and I'm proud of you guys. Now you know your way around the kitchen when it comes to cleaning, right?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. So next up is the bathroom. You will need to learn how to go. Why did you do that, Favour?
I want to clean it.
You will go there and mess it up, but you don't want to clean it up.
Is that it?
You can now clean your room. You can now clean up the kitchen if I want you to. Sometimes I can deep clean it myself. But when I'm not in the mood, I can, proudly call you guys to do it for me. And then it's time to learn how to clean the toilet, okay? Yes. But not yet, not really yet, because I don't know, for some reason I don't want you guys to be doing the toilet, at least for now, but I'm going to show you how to in case. So it's time to finally cook, and as you can see, I've gone ahead to prep my ingredients, and I'm making egg sauce so we can use it to eat this yam and white rice. If you saw my previous vlog, I'm sure you must have seen me pack this in the fridge. I don't want to use the microwave, so what I did was to add it in the pot, add some water, and I'm going to let it boil or cook as if I'm cooking fresh yam, So I'm warming the yam for hubby and Joshua, which is my first son, because that's what they wanted to eat. Then I'll be boiling some white rice for the rest of us. And while that is cooking, I'm going to make my sauce. It's very simple and basic. There's nothing really much. Just add some palm oil in the pot, add your onion, and then I've blended some bell peppers and fresh tomatoes and added to the pot as well. Oh, as for the fresh tomatoes, I didn't actually blend it. I sliced it with the knife, but it doesn't really matter. You can blend it, you can slice it with a knife. It all depends on how you want the texture and consistency to be. And there's also scotch bonnet pepper or habanero pepper in there as well, just to give it a tiny bit of spiciness, Then I went ahead to cut up my kale leafy vegetable. You guys already know I love this vegetable so much. Like, it's replacing ugu for me. It's almost like ugu, and that's why I love it. So I'm going to drain out the water in the yam because it's ready now. Like, when I gave this to my hubby, he could barely notice that this isn't a freshly cooked yam because of the way I warmed it up for him. So while that is cooking, I'm going to start up the laundry. The washing machine is already filled with clothes that I wanted to wash. So what I needed to do was just to add the detergents and start the machine. Back to the kitchen again, checking up on the sauce and making sure it's not burning. So basically, I'm going to be cooking or frying this for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm not going to fry it till it's completely dry, but at least I should know when it's ready for me to add my eggs and my leafy vegetable. But if you want yours really dry, you can go ahead and do that. If you want it half done, it is still fine. It will still taste good, right? So I'm just going to crack in 4 eggs in a plate and whisk and keep that aside. Now in the pot, I'll be adding some seasoning cubes, salt, some Old Bay seasoning powder, mix to combine properly and pour in the beaten or whisked eggs. Now finally, I'm going to add the kale, which is the leafy vegetable. Mix everything to combine really well, and then I'm going to cover the pot and allow this to simmer on a medium heat for about 2 to 5 minutes, and it's done. So I'm going to dish out my hubby's food and then I'll boil the white rice. Although I didn't record the part where I cooked the white rice, but yeah, like I mentioned earlier, we had this with some boiled yam and white rice. So here is my hubby's food. I'm going to call him now to come and enjoy. He really loved it, like he enjoyed it so much. And I'm happy. I'm always happy when I cook and my family people enjoys it. It makes me feel good and proud of myself.
C'est quoi ce drum chez les bonnes? Grazie. Prego.
And here is our rice, even though my kids don't really like basmati rice, but hey, that's what I wanted to eat, and nobody got time to be cooking 2 different types of rice for this tiny egg sauce that I made. So I had to, you know, encourage them to eat it with me, and we had it and everybody was happy, and the sauce made it even tastier. Like, it was so good. Anyways, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.